Good morning, and let's look at the top stocks to watch out for in trade. Starting with Mahindra, which posted its numbers. The company has seen a significant beat on the EBITDA margins, while the revenue growth was slightly below the expectations and has remained a bit subdued on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Obviously, the deal wins were higher than average, so that is some positive sign coming in over there. Now, the management has said that they are confident of a double-digit organic growth in FY22, so surely a positive sign coming in there, as well as CP Gurnani, the MD and CEO, also said that FY22 was the year of FY21 was the year of a repair and the repair phase is now complete. So FY22 will be a growth year, is what he's highlighted as well. So positive commentary coming in over there. And Mahindra also announced its acquisition with Eventus Solutions. So let's keep an eye out on that as well. Moving on to HDFC Life, the company reported a net premium growth of around 23% on a year-on-year basis, but the profits of the company were only up marginally by 2%. So, clearly the elevated COVID risk and the higher compensation payout and lower investment income is, which is due to the falling yields, have resulted in the flat profits as well. So, only a 2% growth what we're seeing in terms of the profits of the company. While HDFC Life has also reported a 26.1% new business margin and 14% growth in terms of the value of the new business as well. So let's keep an eye out on HDFC Life as well on the back of its earnings. Castrol India also in focus after the net profits of the company are up by around 95.5% on a year-on-year basis and have come in at 243 crores. And this is mainly on the demand revival which the company has seen. So last year, if you look at it, the demand was quite weak and there was a sharp fall in the demand due to the restrictions that we had seen and the lockdowns which we had seen coming in the March quarter. So obviously now we're seeing that coming back, and the company has now managed to push the demand back to pre-COVID levels. So the sales revenue were also higher even on a sequential basis, also on a year-on-year basis. Also it's a 65.5% growth in revenue that we're seeing on a year-on-year basis as well, and sequentially a 21.7% growth. Moving on to Sbi Cards, the company which is in focus on the back of its earnings. The profits of the companies have doubled to 175 crores, and that is on the sharply low finance cost that the company has seen. But the company has reported a 5.1% decline in its revenues for the March quarter. And it has come in at 2,308 crores, and this is mainly due to the resurgence that we've seen in the COVID, which took a toll on the revenues. While obviously the membership fees were sharply higher, the interest income was obviously lower. What we saw coming in was only 25% lower for the March quarter as well. Other than that, let's watch out for the earnings that will be coming out today. We have 4 nifty companies, so surely Bajaj Finance, Maruti, Britannia, as well as Axis Bank are some of the other stocks also that could be in focus today.